What's up, y'all? It's your girl Momo coming to you live straight from my dinner table. And today, I know I look a mess, but I'm hungry on my off day. So this is what it is. I'm making me some chicken. And in this chicken, I got adobo, paprika, garlic powder, garlic and herbs, mustard, a little accent, seasonal, a dab of paprika, and I season my flour with the same exact seasonings. Now I'm about to take my chicken, mix my chicken. Who's hungry? Mo's hungry. Who's hungry? Mo's hungry. Mo's hungry. This chicken is for me. This chicken is for me. And I got my hot oil over there on a low medium high. Like, it ain't medium high, but it's medium high. You understand? You heard me. Y'all heard what I said. Okay. Let's see. You heard that? That means that your oil is ready for the wings. Now, if you decide that you want to bake them or put them in the air fryer, to each his own left. But I want me some fried chicken this morning. So here we go. This is what it's supposed to look like. Directly into my seasoned flour. Swish it around. Pick it up. Get all the excess flour off. Put it back in there and do it again. All the excess flour. Gotta go. Drop that thing. Drop that thing. I'm gonna make me some grits and eggs to go with this. Drop it again. Make sure that y'all shaking off the excess flour on y'all chicken. That's what make y'all grease messy. This is what it should look like. This is a coated piece of chicken, okay? Throw it right on that thing. Lift it up, shake it off, and drop it again. Shake it off, and then drop it in your oil. Wash your hands immediately. Raw meat is not a game, okay? Immediately. With soap. Don't forget the soap. What you do, all you're doing is spraying the germs around. You ain't getting them cleaned off. If you ain't using no soap to clean the meat off your hands, this is what your hands should look like after you're done cleaning meat and after you're done seasoning your meat. Okay? Okay. Now, all I'm going to do is put my seasonings away. Boom, boom, boom. Hold up, lids. Lids. Close them. Lids. Lid. 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 Vinegar away. flour set to the side for the rest of my chicken. Take my leg and wipe down my counter. And that's it. Now let me take y'all over here to my stove. Okay. So this is how your chicken should be fried, okay? Nice and juicy, guys. It should sound like running water. This hair is a mess. And anytime you touch your hair in the kitchen, you come over here to your sink and you wash your hands again, okay? Because that's the law in the kitchen. If you didn't know, now you know. Soapy hands. I'm just making sure y'all know because some people don't know, you know? Some people don't know. And when you fry chicken, you don't have to sit around and wait. You know, chicken ain't easy and chicken ain't simple. I mean, chicken is very easy, but y'all know what I mean. Chicken takes a minute to cook, so. Let me see, what else? What else? The aroma arabarega. The aroma arabarega. Big boss, bitches, top of shit, bitch, you know how I know. I'm gonna eat me some scrambled eggs with my chicken, okay? Okay. Move it. Move your chicken. Do not flip your chicken. Do not flip it. If y'all ever wanted to know why y'all got them little extra dark spots on the bottom of your chicken, it's because y'all don't move it around, okay? Move it around. Okay. What y'all doing on this off day, on this gorgeous off day? Get me some eggs. And grapes. Then my first flip. Y'all seen it. Y'all seen it. I know y'all seen it. I'll be back. Bye.